Hello everyone. In the first video, we studied about introduction and classification of halogen derivatives. Now let us study their common and IUPAC nomenclature in this video. The common names of alkyl halides are derived by naming the alkyl group followed by the name of halogen atom as halide. For example, CH3 group is called methyl group. So common name of the compound is methyl bromide. According to IUPAC system of nomenclature, alkyl halides are named as haloalkanes. So IUPAC name of methyl bromide is bromomethane. In this compound CH3-CH2-, the group is called ethyl. So common name is ethyl iodide and IUPAC name is iodoethane. Now in this compound there are 3 carbon atoms. So the alkyl group is propyl group. But there are 2 types of propyl groups, N-propyl group and isopropyl group. Now this group is a straight chain group and the functional group is on the terminal carbon atom. So this propyl group is prefixed as N. So the common name is N-propyl chloride. While writing the IUPAC name, we will have to number the carbon chain. The numbering is done from that end which is nearest to the functional group. So, IUPAC name of the compound is 1-chloropropane. Now, in this compound, the alkyl group is again a propyl group. But this propyl group, that is CH3 twice CH- is called isopropyl group. So common name of the compound is isopropyl chloride. Now let us number the carbon chain for IUPAC name. Chlorine atom is on second carbon atom, so the IUPAC name is 2-chloropropane. There are 4 carbon atoms in the alkyl group, so it is a butyl group. Now what type of butyl group is this? Can you see the iso group CH3-CH-CH3? This group is called iso group. So when iso group is present in the compound, common name of the compound starts with iso. So common name of this compound is isobutyl iodide. Now let us number the carbon chain for IUPAC name. There are 2 substituents, iodo and methyl, on the parent chain. So these substituents are placed alphabetically in the IUPAC name. So the IUPAC name of this compound is 1-iodo-2-methyl propane. Again, in this compound, there are 4 carbon atoms. So this is also a type of butyl group. Now, which type of butyl group is this? Yes, here the functional group is present on the second or the secondary carbon atom. So, the prefix sec is attached to butyl. So, common name of the compound is sec-butyl bromide. Now let us number the carbon chain. The numbering is done from that end which is nearest to the functional group. So what is the IUPAC name? 2-bromobutane. Let us see the next example. In this compound, there are 4 carbon atoms and chlorine atom is attached to a tertiary carbon atom. So the alkyl group is called tert-butyl group. So common name is tert-butyl chloride. Let us number the carbon chain. there are two substituents on the second carbon atom, chloro and methyl. These substituents are placed alphabetically in the IUPAC name. 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane. Let me remind you that any IUPAC name is written as one word. There is a hyphen between a number and letter, and two numbers are separated by comma. In this compound, there are 5 carbon atoms, so it is a pentyl group. Can you see a quaternary carbon atom? A carbon which is attached to 4 different carbon atoms is called a quaternary carbon atom. So common name of the compound starts with neo. Neopentyl bromide. Now let us number the carbon chain. What will be the IUPAC name? 1-bromo 2,2 dimethyl propane. Can you identify the type of alkyl halide? Is it a primary, secondary, tertiary, or a quaternary alkyl halide? It is a primary alkyl halide. Though there is a quaternary carbon atom in the compound, bromine is attached to a primary carbon atom. So it is a primary alkyl halide. Can you identify CH2 double bond CH dash group? It is called vinyl group. So it is vinyl chloride and IUPAC name is chloroethene. CH2 double bond CH dash CH2 dash. Common name of this group is allyl. So common name of the compound is allyl bromide. In IUPAC system, the functional group halo, that is dash X, is always treated as a substituent. So while numbering the carbon chain, double bond gets priority over the bromine atom. Thus double bond gets the lowest possible number. So the IUPAC name is 3-bromopropene. Methyl group, when attached to benzene ring, gives a special name to the molecule, which is toluene. Whereas chlorobenzene is not a different or a special name. So here toluene is considered as the parent compound, and the carbon to which dash CH3 group is attached is numbered 1. So chlorine atom is present at ortho position with respect to this carbon. So common name is O-chlorotoluene and IUPAC name is 2-chlorotoluene. Let us see another example. Benzene ring dash CH2 dash. The group is commonly called benzyl group. So benzyl bromide is the common name. In this compound, the functional group is present in the side chain of the benzene ring. In IUPAC, such a compound is usually named as a phenyl derivative of corresponding aliphatic compound. Thus, methane is the parent compound. Bromo and phenyl are the two substituents on methane. These are placed alphabetically in IUPAC name. Bromophenyl methane. This is a dihalogen derivative. 2 bromine atoms are present on the same carbon atom. Hence, it is a geminal dihalide. So, common name is ethylidene dibromide and IUPAC name is 1,1-dibromoethane. What type of dihalogen derivative is this? It is a vicinal dihalide. So common name of the compound is ethylene dichloride and IUPAC name is 1,2-dichloroethane. Now this is again a geminal dihalide. So common name is N-propylidene dibromide and IUPAC name 1,1-dibromopropane. I hope you have understood the nomenclature of halogen derivatives. I have referred to the Maharashtra State Board textbook. I thank all who have contributed in making this video. We will study methods of preparation of halogen derivatives in the next video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching the video.